If this video was helpful, please hit like and let me know in the comments. You can even subscribe to see more videos. In this video, we will learn how to raise an exponent to a power. Let's get started. Here we have x cubed raised to the fourth power. If we expand this, we see that we really have x cubed times x cubed times x cubed times x cubed. When we add up the exponents, we get x to the 12th power. You could do this whenever you have to raise an exponent to a power, but there's an easier way. Instead of expanding the problem and adding the exponents, just multiply. For this problem, we can just multiply the 3 and 4 to get 12. Let's try one a little harder. Since the exponent 2 is on the outside of the parentheses, we need to square everything inside of the parentheses. We'll begin by squaring the 2 to get 4. Now we need to square the b to the 5th power by multiplying the exponents to get b to the 10th power. That leaves us with a final answer of 4b to the 10th power. Let's try one last example. Once again, since we have an exponent 3 on the outside of the parentheses, we're going to cube everything inside of the parentheses. Take care not to cube the coefficient 3, though. We can go ahead and bring down the coefficient to our answer to make sure we don't cube it. Now we need to work with what's inside the parentheses. Let's start with the 2. We need to raise this 2 to the 3rd power, which will give us 8, which we will multiply with the 3 we just brought down. Next, we need to raise a cubed to the 3rd power. When we multiply the exponents, we get a to the 9th power. Lastly, we need to raise b to the 3rd power. B doesn't show an exponent, so we know it's 1. That means we will have b cubed, making our final answer 24a to the 9th, b cubed. If you remember to apply the exponents to everything inside the parentheses and take it step by step, you should have no problem at all.